As the video approaches its climax, the narrative focus shifts to the philosophical and ethical questions surrounding AI and its future impact on humanity. Visuals showcase people interacting with AI not just in technology-driven sectors, but in personal, everyday moments. Families using AI for education, virtual reality classrooms powered by AI, and healthcare systems providing emotional support through AI companions. Scenes depict AI helping humans overcome disabilities using exoskeletons or neural interfaces, empowering people to lead fuller, more independent lives. The narrative dives deeper into AI's role in scientific discovery, showing futuristic labs where AI aids in breakthroughs in fields like genetics, allowing scientists to unlock the secrets of human DNA and develop cures for previously incurable diseases. Simulations illustrate AI systems solving global challenges such as energy shortages, food security, and climate change. This includes AI managing renewable energy grids, analyzing climate data, and guiding environmental recovery efforts. Sweeping shots capture AI-managed reforestation projects, underwater AI robots working on coral reef restoration, and smart agricultural systems maximizing food production while minimizing environmental impact. Advanced AI-human collaboration scenes are included, featuring humans working with AI-powered holographic systems, data analysts visualizing trends through AI-generated 3D maps, and architects designing futuristic cities with AI tools that optimize every element for sustainability and efficiency. The precision and creativity AI brings to these collaborations are highlighted by showcasing real-time data visualizations and seamless interactions between humans and AI interfaces. For the final segment, a glimpse into a truly futuristic world is offered. This future blends technology and nature, with AI serving as the backbone of a sustainable, intelligent society. Advanced AI systems manage infrastructure, climate, and the economy. Imagery depicts eco-friendly AI-operated transportation with magnetic levitation trains and flying taxis powered by renewable energy. AI seamlessly manages urban farms, water systems, and energy production, creating a balance between human progress and environmental preservation. To emphasize the positive future AI can create, characters or avatars representing AI entities are introduced. They support humans technologically, emotionally, and intellectually, offering companionship and helping people achieve personal growth. Animations convey emotional depth in these AI-human relationships, symbolizing a future where AI is not only a tool, but also a trusted partner in all aspects of life. The video ends with a powerful message of unity between AI and humanity. Images of diverse communities from around the world, connected by AI, communicating through advanced translation devices. Sharing knowledge through AI-facilitated networks, and working together toward a shared global vision are highlighted. AI has bridged cultural and geographical gaps, fostering collaboration across nations.